How to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp call not showing on display, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open up your WhatsApp, now you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the notification section and make sure that you've turned on the notifications for conversation, for calls, for reactions, and every option. Make sure that you've turned on every option. Here you will have calls. Make sure that you've turned on it for calls also. Once you've turned on the notification, now you need to go back and tap and hold on to your WhatsApp. Go with the app info. Under your app info, you need to scroll down again. And here you will have notification section. Tap on notifications and make sure that you've allowed all of the notifications on your settings also. Once you've turned on the notifications, then you can make sure that your device is not on do not disturb or it's not on silent mode. Once you've checked that, now if the other person calls you, then it will show on display. That's how you can fix WhatsApp call not showing on display. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.